Also shots fired north Sam and Lloyd Street, all responding 1-3.
335, I'm going to take up the pursuit from here. We're going southbound on Grandview. Hit successful, hit successful. We got a full rollover.
35, I can see a hand.
Keep your hands up!
What happens when a lawful use of force produces an outcome no officer intended? The answer is not found in the result. It is found in what the law required at the moment of the decision.
Also shots fired north Sam and Lloyd Street, all responding 1-3.
I'll be 1018.
8126. 10-4, it's going to be a woman wearing a pink shirt driving a black SUV.
8-1, I believe I'm going to be behind that black SUV. Got it coming off Brainerd.
Channel 1033.
Doing westbound, he's going to be headed out on a mobile.
Westbound, I'm all good.
335, I'm going to take up the pursuit from here. We're going southbound on Grandview.
Southbound Mobile.
No, southbound on Grandview at Gadsden. No.
Going eastbound, direction westbound Jackson, westbound Jackson.
Westbound Jackson.
Hit the tag, I couldn't get it.
Unknown state, Henry Frank Mary 071. It's Alabama. Can I hit it?
10-4, shots fired, people.
Hit successful, hit successful. We got a full rollover. Driver! Driver, put your hands up!
Golly, lady, frick!
Driver, put your hands up! Go ahead and roll fire. We probably got vehicle entrapment. Full rollover.
Golly, Casey.
We got people entrapped in the vehicle, go ahead and fire out.
10-4.
You're good, you're good. I got you, sir.
32, I still need units to head to the scene to see if we have something over there.
259, it's going to be 51. No movement.
I've got, no vision. Hold up, Sarge. I'm going to come to you.
I'm out with 335, I can see a hand.
Keep your hands up! Distance dark. I don't want to create a crossfire here.
Hey, windows are tinted.
Okay.
8-1, I need someone on scene at the original location.
Sarge, can I bust that back window?
I've got glass breakers if you don't want to.
Yeah, just break it right here.
Okay, hold on.
Hey, we're gonna break the window. Y'all, watch out.
All right, well.
Why would you run with a baby?
Keep your hands where we can see them.
Why would you do that with a baby in the car? Run from us.
259. I know we already said rolling in mass.
You got him?
Saying there's an incident in the car.
You got it?
Ma'am,
Keep your
step
hands
out.
where we can see them. Is there any other children?
No.
Are you the only occupant?
No.
Who else is inside? Who else is inside?
I'm coming
Can you
out.
grab a hold of her?
Yep, step out.
I've got lethal. I've got lethal.
They big gonna cut me, bro.
Come on.
Who else is inside?
I'm right here.
Are you conscious? Can you hear me? Okay.
Ah.
Step up.
Just give him your hands. Don't stop. Hey. Stop. Hey, stop. Stop.
I ain't doing that right now. Put my hand behind
Hold on. Stay on your knees. Stay on your knees. Someone take him. Someone take him.
He's got him.
Other passenger, step out.
Ain't nobody else in here. Hold on, I can keep my phone. Now chill out.
Give me your phone.
Give him your phone.
No.
You're losing.
Hey, chill out, bro.
You don't need that phone.
Grab me again, bro.
Hey, just chill, baby. Chill out, baby. Chill out.
Ain't no chill out, bro.
Don't do anything stupid. Come on.
Okay. With a baby? Dude.
Help him.
Got it.
but my shoulder already out of place. Ease up, for real. I ain't got nothing on me. You ain't even supposed to search me.
By policy, we can. As
When
long as
that
there's
policy
two deputies
passed.
and camera, and it's not illegal.
Can I call my baby daddy to come get my baby?
Let's go ahead and
We'll get that worked out.
All right. Can you move your arm?
You gotta step in. There you go.
Any injuries?
The baby seems fine, but we're going to get checked out.
Thank God.
He was in the car. Thank God. Why would she run with
Okay. Well, we missed the power pole. That's...
Is that your baby?
Want me to take the kid?
335. You can just update fire. There is no more entrapment.
He in the seat? He was in the car seat. I'm holding this way, supporting him, so I'm not moving his head.
Oh, that is a big spider. Get that out of that mess. Ooh. Ah,
There is some sort of rifle. Looks like a BB gun or something.
BB gun? Along
It's got a
that.
magazine in it. So it's no, that's probably a BB gun. It's got a magazine.
Oh, I see what you're looking at.
Yep. It's got. That's a real gun.
Oh, that's a real gun,
That's
dude.
gotta be a real gun. Yep.
What's your name? Hey, look at me. What's your name?
Alexia
Alexia what?
Goble.
Okay.
My brother pulling up to get.
Well, we'll figure that out here in a second.
Get that person out of here, James. Get him out of here. Get out of here. Well, that's fine.
Go back. All right, look, then why don't you park on the side? Ma'am, park. We have the baby. Park on the side.
Yeah, park on the side.
Where? I can't.
Over here on the sidewalk.
Do you want me to do anything? There is a firearm in there.
Oh, good.
It's a rifle.
Leave it.
It's a
Get
rifle.
crime scene. Get crime
Okay.
scene.
I've already got them coming. Man, where'd that sack tool go? Them things are expensive. Whatever. Just gives me an excuse to spend more money. I don't know what the hell I did with it. Well, I found it. Woo! Do we have a scene? Because we have recovered a firearm over here. Looks like it's going to be a pistol caliber. Straight through, you can see it with the mag in it. It's got a red dot on it.
Good job, man.
81, dude. 81 is always just bebopping around somewhere and find stuff.
What's up, man? All right. Just stay in the car for me. We got it. Just stay in the car.
I ain't got to stay in the car.
That's my son. That's our.
Okay. We'll just then stay right over here.
We just got this phone.
I ain't got no weapons. I ain't got nothing on me.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm good.
Yeah, call me back, babe.
No weapons, see? You did good. Don't worry about it. You do nothing wrong. It's all good, okay? That was a good bit. She overcorrected. We're going to charge her. We're going to charge her.
Well, child endangerment.
You damn straight we are.
Absolutely.
Make sure she don't lose that.
It will be. Oh my God, there was a fucking baby in the car. Jesus.
Dude, I heard west on Jackson, and I was coming from Jackson. I was like, heck yeah.
I saw her fly across and jump.
But the problem is that someone called around S and Lloyd, so the people getting shot at didn't call, so it could be anywhere in a couple of block radius. But dispatch heard the shooting. So, and we got the rifle, and it's a car leaving that area going westbound, where I saw it coming westbound. It fled from us, so I'm all good with this. All day long. EMS right here, I'll get.
How you doing? I like the staff.
Me and him are going to go talk to them. Hey, the baby's being checked. It's probably going to be taken to the hospital cautionary.
That's yes,
Yeah,
sir.
I pulled the baby out. The baby's in the
Okay.
car seat.
Okay.
He's crying. He's nothing obvious. All right, is that your daughter? Okay.
In the car with you? Yeah.
You know what's going on?
Yeah, well, all I know is she ran from y'all.
So we got a call while someone's on the call. The dispatch could hear shots being fired.
No.
Yes, they gave a description of that vehicle there. I got behind the vehicle. It ran from me due to the nature of the call because it was the dispatch could hear it. We pitted the vehicle, and when we found out it was a baby, the first thing I said, "Why would you run from that car?" There is a rifle in that car.
Yeah, we know. That's what we was just told.
As soon as they tell me where they're going, I'll let you know so you can go. Okay,
so much.
not a
I
problem.
appreciate it.
Yeah.
I get nervous anytime we have to do something like this.
No, we're justified.
And then when I
doing it.
heard there was a baby in there, I was like, oh my God, I'm so glad that
Kind of gun.
so
A rifle.
It's a pistol carbine, so it's a rifle, but it shoots pistol rounds.
You trying to run me over?
The kid's in the car. Yeah, it was in there. We had to pull out the back. It seemed to be in a car seat. There was nothing obvious when I pulled them out.
All right. Do you want us to also assess the...
They're hurting me. We'll take them. We're not. The female's fine.
Let's go look at them.
You can look at them. She's going to be yelling.
Dude, oh my God, Casey, I am so glad that baby's okay. I hate that, dude. I hate that we're in that position, though. I just flipped a car with a baby in it.
Did it?
Well, I know, but like, damn,
Doing shit like that with a baby in the car.
they're putting us in that position.
Well, first of all, over there trying to do gang.
Yeah,
Damn baby in the
they've
car.
got shots fired with a baby.
But what if the people shot back at them?
Hey, they're going to go to Sacred Heart in just a minute. That's
Okay.
where you need to go to the kids' ER.
Part,
They're just going to
okay.
do it as precautionary to make sure.
Thank you so much.
Not a problem. Let's interview her. Rita Miranda. Let's do him first, the guy first, because he was calmer than she was.
Hey, sir, you doing okay? You got the AC in here? Can you feel the AC? Okay, you're okay. I'm just making sure you're all right, okay?
Hey, where my mom at? I can see her.
How old are you?
I'm 22.
Once we're done, we'll walk her. I'll ask her. She's on the other side.
I ain't got nothing to say about that.
Okay, you got nothing to say? That's fine. You're going to be charged with all of it, and you're not talking to your mama.
Okay.
Little turd. Not that you care because you ran from us. You're being charged with a multitude of firearms. You're going to lose. That's my mission.
Being charged with what?
You're being charged with a multitude of felonies. Hey, are they in the back? Hey, I just needed the baby's name real quick.
Yeah, I got it.
I got the baby's name.
Age, date of birth,
You want to know the age?
what, 0? Found 1 round.
Dispatch said they heard 1 round over the phone.
He found 1, so that's good.
Oh, what else we got here? Oh, powder, meth.
That's going to be baggies and a scale for
Awesome.
distribution.
So, this is a bag of marijuana, all rolled up, ready to go.
You can record from right there. You're fine. Go ahead. I'm not moving my car though. Yeah, you can stand over there and do it. They allow you. Hey, dude, come on. I'm sorry to hear that, but I can't help you with this son right now.
That's her son, right?
I understand. It doesn't matter if it's her son. He's an adult.
Wait, I know it's my son.
I understand. He's adult.
Ain't that happen? Y'all flipped that car over.
Yeah.
I got witness. They record y'all.
Hey, guess what? We did. We pitted the car. That's no
So
problem.
y'all man over the car.
Yeah, that's what they did.
What was the reason?
Doesn't matter. Listen, you can get the arrest report. They were shooting at someone. They ran. There's a ton of drugs. Maybe if they cared more about that little baby in there,
Okay.
that pisses me off.
Okay.
That baby. I didn't say they shoot someone. I said they shot at someone, and we do have a witness.
I was on the phone
Nuts.
with them.
Oh yeah, yes sir.
They were at the grave site.
I'll talk to you since you're calm, because I'm getting irritated. I understand it's your son, and I'm sorry about your other son.
Yeah.
But you're yelling and accusing
I'm
us.
not yelling.
Your high-pitched voice
That's
comes
just
off as
me.
yelling.
I'm like, that's how I
What's up?
talk.
What's up?
I'm just listening.
Oh, you're listening? Okay.
Okay, so you explain
So,
to us that.
so we're going to take him to get checked out.
Yes, sir.
They're fine. He just said he's got a sore shoulder. That's all
Yes,
he's
sir.
complaining about. He's going to
Yes,
be
sir.
checked out. He's going to be charged with fleeing and eluding,
Yes, sir.
possession of a firearm during commission of a felony.
Yes, sir.
He's in the vehicle the whole time. How do you know he wasn't driving?
Because I was with them.
Hold on,
You were with him in that car? No, you
I
didn't.
was on the phone with them.
Okay.
Hold on, calm down.
So
Let
did
me
they?
finish
So
explaining.
did they?
Calm
They tell
down.
you they were running from us?
Calm down, Fat. Calm down.
So a multitude
Yes,
of felonies. So
Yes,
and depending on his record, it could be anywhere from 10,000 to no bond
Yes,
to get
sir.
out.
So they got a witness. You say it was a shootout.
It was a shootout.
I didn't say it was a shootout. I said they shot at someone.
Shot at someone.
They ain't shot no one.
And that's what made them get behind the car.
No, then I tried to stop the car and make sure it wasn't it. They took off and then they started driving like a maniac all through
Yes, sir.
here. So we pitted the vehicle, not knowing there was which
Yes,
is
sir.
she's being charged and she's going to lose. It's the last thing I do because she knows no. That's the only reason that baby's alive because it was in a car seat. Thank God.
Yes, sir.
There's a ton of dope in there, meth, marijuana, a rifle. I would worry more about him being around that than us doing that. The baby's okay. It's being checked out. Thank you. Do what?
You a sergeant?
Yes, ma'am. Sergeant Taylor.
Isn't it a law that like y'all not supposed to chase the cars?
Nope. There's no law like that, sir.
That is the law.
No, it is not the law. I tell you which one of y'all went to law school and which one didn't. You can if you want to file a complaint, you're more than welcome. But with real and policy, no, I'm explaining it.
Okay, so you saying the neighborhood?
There is no law that we can't chase, buddy.
The neighborhood they was in, supposed to be, there was a suspect that was the call.
Yep. Yes, ma'am. Jesus Christ, that mother. At least that lady was. I could talk to her.
One confirmed shots fired call, one authorized pursuit, one PT maneuver, and inside that vehicle, something no officer on scene could have anticipated. When dispatch personally hears gunfire over an open phone line, that confirmation elevates the reliability of the information above third-party caller testimony. Under the totality of circumstances standard, this distinction directly affects the probable cause analysis for any subsequent use of force. Florida Statute 316.1000, 935 classifies willful flight from a law enforcement officer as a felony when conducted at high speed or with wanton disregard for public safety. The offense elevates to a second-degree felony punishable by up to 15 years imprisonment. Scott versus Harris, 550 U.S., 372, decided in 2007, is the controlling federal authority on pursuit termination. The Supreme Court held that force used to end a dangerous high-speed chase does not violate the Fourth Amendment when continued flight poses a substantial and immediate risk of serious physical injury to the public. Graham versus Connor, 490 U.S., 386, establishes the three-factor test for all law enforcement use of force: the severity of the underlying crime, whether the suspect poses an immediate threat to officers or others, and whether the suspect is actively resisting or evading. All three Graham factors were independently satisfied at the moment of authorization. A dispatch-confirmed shooting, a vehicle fleeing at speed through a residential area, sustained active evasion following a lawful stop attempt. Each factor alone is significant. Together, they are legally decisive. The firearm recovered from the overturned vehicle was seized under the Plainview Doctrine established in Coolidge versus New Hampshire. 403 U.S., 443 deputies were lawfully present at the crash scene. The weapon was immediately identifiable as incriminating, and access was lawfully available. No warrant was required. Florida Statute 893.135 imposes mandatory minimum sentencing for fentanyl trafficking by weight. Recovery of 7.1 grams falls within the 4 to 14 gram range, triggering a mandatory 3-year minimum and a $50,000 fine. No court may suspend, defer, or reduce below this statutory floor, regardless of cooperation or mitigating circumstances. Florida Statute 827. 3 does not require proof of physical injury to sustain a child abuse conviction. Reckless creation of a substantial risk of harm to a child satisfies the statutory elements. Fleeing law enforcement at high speed with a 2-month-old infant in the vehicle meets this threshold as a matter of law. Under constructive possession doctrine, physical contact with contraband is not required for trafficking liability. Both occupants face exposure under Florida Statute 893. 135 based on joint presence in and joint control over the vehicle containing the narcotics. Florida Statute 322. 34 subsection 5 elevates a third or subsequent suspended license conviction to a third-degree felony. 3 prior convictions and a license suspended since 2023 establish habitual offender status as an independent felony count, separate from every other charge in this case. The law does not require officers to know what they cannot know. Scott versus Harris does not condition the legality of force on the complete occupant profile of the fleeing vehicle. Reasonableness is assessed from the information available at the moment of the decision, not from facts discovered in the aftermath. This case establishes a critical operational principle. PIT authorization requires continuous risk-benefit analysis before contact is made. The presence of an infant cannot retroactively render that analysis unreasonable, but it confirms why the analysis must be conducted with maximum discipline every single time. Both cases remain open in the Florida First Judicial Circuit. The statutory minimums are unambiguous. The constitutional framework is settled. The charges are filed. But the deeper question this footage raises has no clean resolution yet. When the law authorizes force and the outcome reveals what no one knew, where does legal accountability end and institutional responsibility begin? That question is still being decided in court and in every department policy being written right now. Are we asking the right questions?